So in this video, you learn how to install an always-on display on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step when it comes to installing an always-on display is to simply navigate to the Settings app. From here, you want to scroll and select Lock Screen and AOD and ensure that the always-on display feature is enabled. Once you have it enabled, you're then going to go back to your main settings menu and you're going to tap on Themes. Under Themes, you then want to navigate to your always on display section. So just swipe through the different options until you get to AOD. And then from here, you should see all the always on displays that you can choose to use on your Z Fold 7. So go ahead and find one that suits your preferences and then tap on it to select it. You can see how it looks like in the preview. If you don't like how it looks like, then you can just go back and choose a different always on display. So have fun choosing the display that you would like to use. And then once you find it and you've selected it, you're then going to tap on download. Wait for it to be downloaded and then select apply. And then as you're applying your always on display, you have two options. You can choose to apply the clock and image or the clock or the image only. Then once you've made your choice, you can tap on done and then it will say always on display has been applied. So now whenever you go ahead and activate the always on display on your Z Fold 7, you should see how it looks like. And so that's how you can successfully install an always-on display on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.